Hey paper crafters, thank you so much for joining me today. I love that you took the time to pop by my channel, check out the video that I've got going, and hopefully stay and poke around a little bit. I'm really excited to be able to offer some videos now and then and share my love of paper crafting. So I hope you find something that you enjoy and come back to see me another time. Bye-bye. Hey paper crafting friends, thanks for joining me. I just wanted to pop on real quick and show you some of the new products that Kiwi just came out with for the February release. So get ready. I'm just going to share them with you real quick and then let you know the prices and all that good stuff. So the first one is this gamer controller. So this is an a la carte and it's literally called Gamer. I love that it's got the little either cutouts that where you could trace and cut the details, or you could just draw them on like with a nice pen. So this one is $4 and it is sold individually. Okay. If you have a dancer or a gymnast in your life, or you like to go to the ballet, this is an amazing template. So you got this great dancer. So of course, as a dancer, right, you could have it this way. You could have her up doing a leap. You could tilt it a little bit. And same for a gymnast. I love that you can kind of tilt it this way, make it look like she's doing like a walkover. I don't even know if that's what that's still called. Okay, so lots of different choices with how to use this. I do not have a dancer in my life, but I do love to watch dance performances, and I have a couple of pages already in mind for that. It also comes with a set of ballet slippers. Okay, hopefully you can see those. They've got the great little tie accent. I love that. I've seen some people do these and do the laces. So really cool. These are sold, they're still a la carte, but they are sold in a package together. The two of them are $6. Okay. Remember, if you're a club member, that everything is 10% off. So that brings that down a little bit more. Okay. The next a la carte set is called Ball Game, and it's actually got 3 templates. So I love that although it's an a la carte set, they went ahead and did several templates in this a la carte. It wasn't quite enough to make it into an accessory set, but a great value. So these 3 templates make one set again. So you'd buy them all together. It's $6 for the set. So you've got the cleat, and you could use this for other things as well. Love that shoe. It could just be a running shoe, etc. So that's cool. You've got your bat. This could actually be kind of cool for some Walking Dead pages. So I don't know if any of you are fans, but I'm like, that could be Lucille. I could alter that really easily. And then you've got just a ball cap. So whether you have an athlete in your life that you're scrapbooking or not, this would be great on any boy pages. And then the additional pieces I feel like are a bonus. So, all right, those are all wonderful. But my favorite of the new release is this tiny accessory called Tiny Egg Hunt. So this is an $11 accessory. Let me show you everything that's in here. This is such a fun little set. So this is just a doodling sheet. Okay, lots of little spaces to help you add details to things. And what do you want to add details to? Look at this bunny. Okay, darling bunny. And then you can put the doodling sheet on to do, you could trace and cut the insides of his ears if you want that to be on a different paper, or you could just draw them on. But look at that face. Oh my gosh, I don't know if you can see this very well in a video. Look at how cute that face is. So really fun that that kind of stuff is already there and able to kind of help you with that creativity. Then you've got the egg, okay? So you've got the cracked egg. You want a large egg, just trace it all together. But if you want that cracked look, oh my, super cute. And look at this chick. So I have chickens, so I'll use this on just some other pages as well. But look at how cute. You can put it in a little chick in the egg. Yep, darling. All of this stuff is sized to go together. You've also got the small egg, okay? You've got the carrot and then the basket. So think about how cute you can make all of this. If you decided that you wanted it to look like the rabbit was in the basket or beside the basket, here we're just going to make a scene. So we're going to put the rabbit like right beside the basket. You could put some eggs in the basket. You can give the rabbit its little carrot. If you wanted to do a larger egg off in the grass or something, look at how easy it is to decorate these. I'm going to scooch this down just a touch. So again, if you want to trace it as a whole egg, that's fine. And then you've got little swirls you could do quickly with a marker or paper if you want. The little zigzag designs, really quick and easy to decorate. You want a little flower for your basket? Trace and cut that little flower and put a little flower. You want a bow? It's right there. Add it to your basket or maybe to your bunny. Okay, lots of choices, and this one is going to be so fun to play with. It makes me wish I had littles at home still for Easter, but I do have grandbabies, so I'm sure I'll have their Easter stuff to do, even though my own kids are getting a little grown and not all that interested in the whole shebang. So I hope that this gives you some ideas. This one, this tiny egg hunt, this one's $11. Again, if you're a club member, it brings it down. It'd be $9.90. So it's a good collection of templates at that price point. So lots of fun. There'll be a link in the description box on the video that'll take you straight into the shop if you need help locating where that is. If you are already working with another instructor, it's still fine. If you follow my link and get into the shop, it's your person who you are already established with still gets the credit. So don't feel like you'd have to worry about that. Kiwi Lane is awesome about making sure that the business goes where the business was intended to go. So anyway, just so you know that. I hope that you guys like all the new treasures. Just a reminder, these 3 are 6. These 2 are 6. This one is 4, and this set is 11. If you have any questions, drop me a comment, and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. I hope you guys are having a great time, whatever you got going on today, and I will talk to you soon. Bye-bye.